Hey everyone, it's me, TJP. Today I'll be showing you the combinations of all the mods that I showcased in my last video. That being the KBDFans switch pads, the PE Faom mod, and the Tempest Tape mod. This seemed to be a highly requested topic after my last video's release, and I'm happy to provide it. I do apologize for it taking so long to do so. Regardless, thank you for all of your support, and I hope that you enjoy. This video is going to be pretty straightforward, where I just showcase the sound test for each mod combination, and then you decide if you'd like to try them out for yourself. The specific keyboard that I used in this video is my KBD67 Lite. At the bottom of the internals is a cabinet liner that I put inside the case below the PCB. Above that is a standard case foam that comes in all KBD67 Lites, followed by the PCB, the silicone mute layer, and the polycarbonate plate. As for the switches in this build, I decided to use Alpaca switches, lubed with Krytox 205 and filmed with Deskeys switch film. The stabilizers are Durock V2 Alpaca editions, and they have been wholly modded and lubed with Krytox 205 grade 0. Finally, for the keycaps, there are some budget black on white Japanese PBT keycaps I found on Amazon. Everything in this build, as well as all the things I used for the mods, will be linked in the description below. If you would like to compare the sounds from all the individual mods showcased in this video, check out my last video where I do so. In that video I provide sound tests for each individual mod, as well as pros and cons for each one, so you can pick which one you like the best. As always, that video will be linked below, as well as in the top right corner of this video. One important note from testing all these combinations on my keyboard: when I tested the combination of all three mods together, it provided a lot of stress on the case, and I cannot condone doing it yourself if you worry about the longevity of your keyboard. That said, the sound that it does produce is pretty incredible. Now for the sound tests. Alright everyone, now that you've heard the comparisons for each mod, please let me know which one you like the best. I'm always surprised by how much sound these slight mods can bring out of any keyboard. Anyways, please subscribe for more content like this, as well as some reviews and showcases in the near future. I really hope that you enjoyed the video, and thank you all for watching.